Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your renewable energy consultant business. So let's suppose I'm running renewable energy consultant business and I'm receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now when I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot and when a user sends me the message, automatically the reply will be sent based on their query. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your renewable energy consultant business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this once. For that, I am going to open my WhatsApp and I am going to send some message, and you will see that as soon as I send this message, I am going to receive the reply. And here in no time, I have received this message. Hello, welcome to EcoFuture Energy, your trusted renewable energy expert. How can I help you with? So if I go with this request energy audit, it is going to ask me a question like, what type of property do you have? Now, if I click on this residential, it is going to ask me some more questions. Like here it is asking me, give me your average monthly electricity bill and the location. So here I have entered the details. I am going to send this message and I am going to receive the reply that thank you, based on your input, we are preparing your energy audit report. Give us a day to revert back. If I click on this check solar ROI, it is going to again ask me the question. So here it is asking me for the electricity bill. I am going to send the same message and I am going to receive the reply that thanks, we will use this to calculate your potential solar saving. If I click on this book consultation, it is going to ask me some questions like it is asking me my full name. So I am going to write my full name and I am going to send this message, and then again it is going to ask me the date. So here I have entered the date and I am going to receive the reply that your consultation request is received. You will receive a confirmation shortly. This is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your renewable energy consultant business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in. And if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared. Here I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard, which gives the overview of all the activities, insights, and performance metrics. If you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. Click on this WhatsApp connect to connect to your WhatsApp and create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. Now on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on this inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. We have this contacts, which manager leads customer and the details. We have team queues, which assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have the templates, which create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have broadcast, which send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have flows, which build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have AI assistant, which use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content, or suggestion. Over here in this activity log, we can check the activity we have done in a Pabbly Chatflow account. Then we have this option of settings, which will help us configure account integration and preferences. We have this get help, which access the support if a user contact the help desk. Moving back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to open this flow. So let's open this and click on this. So here I have landed towards this flow builder. You can see the total flows, active flows, and active flows. You can see all the flows which have been created. To create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. So let's open this. And here we have landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. But before we do that, let's quickly name this to WhatsApp chatbot for your renewable energy consultant business. And on the left hand side, where you can see these messages and actions, we have very important buttons which we will be using while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So now let's quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. First, we have to trigger or activate this, and to do that, we have to enter the keywords or the regex. So here I'm going to enter the keywords like hello and hey, commonly used, or you can use the keywords from your product and services also. Then you can use this regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. Instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. So I'm going to enter the regex like this, and we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format. You can either use the regex or the keywords, or you can use both. For now, I'm going to remove the keywords as I will be using the regex only. So here I've entered the regex, and now I have to create the message. So over here you can see that as soon as I've sent this message, I was able to receive this message in reply. So how I was able to do this? For that, I'm going to open my flow, and I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then select my content type. Over here, if I show you the content type, you can see the media list single product. So if you want to upload some image, video, or document, you can use this media. If you want to provide so many options, you can use this list. If you have single product, you can use this. Multi-product, use this. If you want to send some single AI message, you can use this. And if you want to use your pre-designed message format, you can use this template. I'm going to send the message with the buttons. So I'm going to select the text plus button and enter my message like this. Here I've entered, hello, welcome to EcoFuture Energy, your trusted renewable energy expert. I can help you with, and then I'm going to provide the buttons by clicking on add button option. Now over here in the message, you can see that I was able to bold this text. So how I was able to bold the text? For that, I'm going to open the flow, and over here you can see this is the particular word which I have bolded. So I'm going to put the star in the end and in the beginning of that particular sentence or a word which I want to bold, and this is going to create a bold font. So I'm going to provide the options like over here. I'm going to provide similar options. So the first one is request energy audit, check solar ROI, book consultation. Now over here I have provided these options, and I am going to create the message for each of these options. Following the same method, I will click on the circle, drag and drop, and then select my content type. I am quickly going to complete and create this flow, and we are going to understand this further. So here I have completed this flow. For the first button, which was request energy audit, I have created like which property you have and residential, commercial, industrial. When they click on any of the buttons, I'm going to send them, please share your average electricity bill. Now over here you can see that I have not used the text plus button. Instead I have used this question. So under the actions, I've simply drag and drop this ask question. I've entered my question and then selected the contact custom field. Over here you can see that I have selected the contact custom field as answers. The contact custom field which I have created, you can create any contact custom field based on the question which you have asked. So it is very important to create the contact custom field for the question so that the answers get saved in that, and you can use it later to add that to your Google Sheets, add that to your CRM, or create a personalized message. Here I've selected the format as any. If you want, you can select it as number or any other. So here I have selected it as any. And then as soon as they send this, I'm going to send the message, thank you. Based on your input, we are preparing your energy audit report. Now I've created the same message for this check solar ROI. And over here I have asked them the monthly bill. And over here I have selected a contact custom field and then selected the format. I've sent the same message, thanks, we will calculate and revert back to you shortly. And then the final button was of this, entered book consultation. So here I have used the same ask question box or the button, and then I've created, as I'm going to collect the customer detail in this book consultation one, so I have created different questions. I have asked them the full name, and then I have asked them the preferred date separately, and then I have sent them this message, your consultation request is received, you will receive a confirmation shortly. Over here I will be calculating that ROI or the energy audit personally, so I have taken the information all together. So over here on the left hand side where you can see this settings option, I am going to open this contact custom field in a new tab. If you are going to open the same tab and if you want to select any other option, please make sure that you have saved the flow. If you do not save the flow, all your messages will be lost. So here flow updated successfully. As I have opened this contact custom field in a new tab, I am going to show you once. Here we have landed towards this contact custom field and you can see all the fields which I have created. Now to create a personalized message, what you can do over here, I have created a field for this full name. So I'm going to copy this contact custom field, copy it to clipboard, and then I'm going to paste that your request is received. So I'm going to paste it over here and it will appear something like this. Now this dollar full name is going to create my messages dynamic or personalized. So whenever I'm going to receive a new response, this will get changed with the new response. So this is how this contact custom field works. Here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for your renewable energy consultant business. If you have any doubts or query, you can comment down the video below. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.